Professor?
What are you doing with that?
Oh, sorry. I'll just,
You're Ethan, right? We're in Photocomp 232 together.
Yeah. You have some really nice portraits here.
Thanks, yeah, portraits are kind of my thing. I have no clue when it comes to landscapes, though.
Well, you're clearly a lot better than I am. Anyway, congrats with winning the contest, though. Sarah's gonna have her name next to a published photo in the Robert Mann Art Gallery in New York.
I mean, yeah, that's really cool, but it's not as big of a deal as you're making it out to be.
Just can't figure it out what I'm doing wrong.
Now close your eyes and just forget where you are for a minute.
What?
Come on, just trust me.
Okay. Hello? Yeah, it is. Can I help you? Oh my god. I'm so sorry. No, she wasn't at school today. Yeah, of course. And I couldn't understand why I wasn't satisfied with what was coming out of the camera. But now I realize what I was missing. A genuine purpose. You can have the best lenses, the best camera, or the best composition, but without a purpose, you will never truly move an audience. Ansel Adams once said, "You don't take a photograph, you make it."